Hello, first grade friends. It is Miss Cardwell here. We're going to be doing Fundations. We're going to be working on Unit 12, and today is Monday, May 11th. For our lesson today, we're going to be working on suffixes. We're going to review them, and then we're going to learn about multi-syllable words. So that means when there's more than one syllable within the word, and I'll go into more detail about that. We'll practice marking them up, and we'll learn a quick little song at the end. All right, so let's review our ed and ing suffixes that go at the end of the word. So we have ed, that means it happened in the past. Ing means it's happening now. We have the word print. I can print the paper. Printed, I printed the paper. Printing, I am printing the paper out. All right, so remember those suffixes go at the end of the word, and that's where you add it on to that part. All right, next we're going to be talking about multi-syllabic words. That's a new word. So let's see. That means words are made up of parts. We know that we have different parts in our words. We have different sounds that have to make them go together. Sounds go together to make these parts. Each part is one push of breath. Let's take a look at our word right here. What could that word be? At. I have cat, and then if I look at the second part, nip. So if I have cat and nip, catnip, which is a type of treat that cats like to eat. So remember, each push of breath is part of our syllable. So if you have catnip, it would be cat nip. 2 pushes of breath to say the word catnip. Let's take a look at another word. You read one part of the word at a time in order for you to help figure out what these words are. So let's take a look at this word here. Bath. Tub. If I put them together, I have bathtub. Bathtub. I take a bath in the bathtub. Now, I have something else I want you to look at right here, compound words. So compound words is when you have 2 regular words that come together to make one word. In the word bath, tub, those are 2 normal words that come together to make one word. So that's a compound word, bathtub. We'll look at more soon. Whenever vowels are separated, the word must be 2 parts. So if we look at this word here, app, in, napkin, the vowels are separated by our P and our K there. So it's showing that there are 2 different words that are coming together. All right. Now you're going to be learning about our multi-syllable word. It's called multisyllabic words. Multisyllabic just means there's more than one syllable. Here we go. Multisyllabic words. Multisyllabic words. Break them apart, then put them together. Multisyllabic words. That's all we're doing. We're just breaking the words into the parts that we see by looking at our vowels and the different parts that we know and then putting them together. Let's look at some more words. All right, down here we have some new words to look at. Now I have sun, fish. If I put them together, sunfish, sunfish. And I'm going to practice marking them up. So if I have sun, fish, in the word sun, it's making the sound. So I need to put my breathe above my vowel. And that's a closed syllable in there. In the word fish, my I is still making the sound, so I need to put my breathe above it and close it. Excellent. Let's look at our next one. Cactus. Cactus. Put my breathe above my A and then above my U because my vowels are making the short vowel sounds there as a closed syllable. So I have the word cactus. You usually see a lot of them in the desert. Next, let's look at our next word. Now, this one is a little bit different. It's beginning with a vowel, and that is okay. We still know the word up. Up, set. I am upset when I don't win the game. But I'm still putting my breathe above my vowel sounds because they're making the short vowel sounds there, and it's still a closed syllable. We learned that the closed syllable can still have the vowel sound in the front. All right, friends, so you just learned about multisyllabic words, and that is when you have different parts within the word, and it's each breath. Up, set. And when you have a compound word, that is when you have two words, normal words that are coming together to make one big word. All right, friends, you do have a quick activity to do after this, and please make sure you complete your quick check for one time for the whole week. All right, see you soon.